We, Chongwon Techno Trade Incorporated, are a collaborator commercially with UVC, a technology-driven Korean company that develops cyber-physical system (CPS) technology, which is the core of digital twin platforms. UVC is one of the founders of OPCUA, and UVC is very specialized in industrial IoT business, who is a developer and supplier with IoT and CPS solutions for smart factory. Our digital twin cloud platform connects real and virtual in your industry. Cyber Physical Systems (CPS) is a new paradigm that seeks convergence between the physical world we live in and the cyber world. CPS consists of multiple sensors, actuators, and control devices connected by network to form a system of systems, and acquires, processes, calculates, and analyzes physical world information and applies the results to the physical world through the actuator system. This focuses on actively adapting to the changes that occur continuously. CPS differs significantly in that it focuses on how physical systems can be controlled in real time, with high reliability beyond simple connectivity. First, we need a mathematical representation of physical systems, the so-called modeling work. Eventually, we need to accurately model complex interactions and dependencies with physical systems, starting with modeling that objectively reveals how humans control and interact with the physical world surrounding us. This requires a new fusion and complex technology approach that combines computer science based on natural science, not just an understanding of existing control systems. Smart factory is different from simple factory automation. Factory automation is automated and optimized for each unit process, and there is no connection between processes. The main difference is connecting data from all processes and facilities in the factory. In addition, by fusing sensor data with production and management data, such as ERP, MES, and others, management and judgment can be directly reflected to the factory's production equipment. Using a smart factory, energy and materials optimized for factory operation are used, so resources are saved, facility utilization rate is improved by preliminary inspections through predictive maintenances for possible facility failures, and it enables factory operation that is automatically linked to production and management plans.